Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Laura Dawson and I'm a makeup artist based in Glasgow in Scotland. Now, I've been a makeup artist for 25 years now, which is scary to think, but I have. But I'm also a beauty therapist and I'm a brow tattooist. So I try to kind of roll it all into one, but obviously at the minute I'm not able to work. So that's why I started this channel and it's gone really well, but I've never done a proper introduction, so here we are. Now this channel really is aimed at people in their 40s and their 50s. I'm right in the middle, 49, 50 this year, which is a scary thought, but I think we all reach a point where we get a wee bit stuck with our skincare, stuck with our makeup, and as our faces age, our makeup routine has to change with it, because what worked for me in my 20s does not work for me now. It just doesn't. What worked for me 10 years ago doesn't even work for me now. I've had to change it up, and you do. Your face, your features change, and you have to kind of go with it and look at other ways of making the best of yourself, really, and you can. You can still look really good. You just have to rethink maybe what you were using before, rethink your colour palette, rethink your techniques. But there is a lot of ways you can work with that. So if you feel that you need that help, want a wee bit of motivation or guidance in how to make the most of your makeup now and to rethink your skincare, then keep watching, because I aim to upload once a week. And I'm really going to respond to your requests. If there's something specific that you want, then I'll film it, and if not, I will just keep putting out there what I think you might enjoy, and hopefully you will. So I would say I've gained a lot of knowledge over the past 25 years, so I really just wanted to start sharing it with people. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. You'll see the subscribe button underneath, just press it, and then there's a bell. Press the bell and it'll say all. Click on all, and it means every time I upload a new video you'll be alerted to it. Subscription doesn't cost anything, it's just so when you click into YouTube your subscribers come up along the top and you don't have to search for them anymore. It's as simple as that. I'd love you to join in, ask me questions, be as interactive as you can on the channel, and my first video is going to be about skincare going into 2021, so I'd love you to stick around and I hope to see you soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.